Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a latest 3 ways how to delete instabridge app if not showing uninstall options. So if you use this app as your Wi-Fi map, Wi-Fi hunting, Wi-Fi hunter apps, and you want to uninstall this app because it keep asking you give you notification to set instabridge as your default launcher. So it keeps annoying me. I don't feel comfortable because my operating system or my OS launcher by default is very beautiful. It's very easy to use. So you can skip, you can close this. So you can use this VPN. You can setting by more here, but you decide to uninstall this app because this app kept asking you here. For example, if you tap this, you don't jump into the home, but there is a notification under the tab here keep asking you a become your system launcher. So this one, so there is 3 ways. The first one is hold this icon and tap uninstall from this, and second way, you can go to the Play Store and try to manage your account by tap your profile picture and manage app and device and manage here, and scroll down, try to search instabridge from here. This one you can uninstall from this. You can go to the settings. Also you can try to manage the app from here. You can search app management, go to your app list, scroll down and search instabridge from here. See, you can tap it and you can uninstall. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.